In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up billing in Google Ads, a straightforward process that allows you to manage your advertising budget with ease. First, let's kick things off by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, you want to look at the top of the page for a tab called Overview. This is essentially your control center for everything related to your ad campaigns. Once you've navigated to the Overview section, let's get ready to move on to the billing setup. Hover your mouse cursor over the word billing in the navigation menu. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You're going to want to select the option labeled Payment Methods, so go ahead and click on that when you see it. The Payment Methods section is where you will find all the financial information related to your Google Ads account. It's essential to accurately manage this section to ensure your ads continue to run smoothly without any interruptions. Now that you've found yourself in the Payment Methods area, the next step is to add a new payment method. You will notice there's a prominently displayed button labeled Add Payment Method. This button usually stands out, so it should catch your eye right away. Click on this button to proceed to the form where you'll be entering your payment details. When adding a payment method, you'll be presented with various options depending on your location and the currencies Google Ads supports there. Options can include credit or debit cards, bank account transfers, and other third-party payment services. Make sure you choose the option that best suits your needs and ensures the seamless operation of your ad campaigns. As you fill out your payment information, take your time to double check the details for accuracy. This is critical to avoid any payment failures or disruptions in your ad service. Pay attention to each field, especially card numbers, expiration dates, and name details, as these need to match exactly with what's recorded by your financial institution. That's it. Once you've reviewed and confirmed everything, submit your new payment method and you're all set. Google will usually verify the payment information, which may take a short time, so just be patient. And there you have it, your billing for Google Ads is now all set up and you're ready to dive into the world of online advertising with confidence. Setting up your billing is just one step toward mastering Google Ads, so be sure to explore other tutorials and resources to get the most out of your advertising efforts. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.